Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow birthday cake.
Let's start drawing.
First we are going to draw a plate, then the bottom of the cake. And later the top part. And some semicircles for the cream. And the cream again. I draw 4 hearts here. Now let's decorate it like this. On the top of the cake, I draw 3 candles.
Happy birthday!
Finally, let's draw a cute face. I draw 2 cute eyes, eyelashes, and his smiling mouth, his cheek. Bravo!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
To color, I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, dark green, light blue, a little dark blue, purple, and pink, fuchsia. I color the hearts with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, light purple, purple, pink, fuchsia, pink, mint for the candles. I colored the flames with yellow.
Happy birthday!
I colored the top layer with fuchsia. And light purple for the cream at the bottom. Aquamarine blue for the dish. I love it!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.